Okay, where are we?
This is the famous Punch Bowl Falls, established in 1902 by the Punch Bowl family. They were a little bit punch drunk when they made it.
That's Luca scratching.
Kind of like Sutton's special brew.
Northwest style.
It's got a little bit of everything in it. The old Punch Bowl. Body parts have washed in there, and the Eddies. Logs. Yeah, logs the size of trees are in there.
All right, well, thanks for the description.